Yeah, I think the key to success with machinery in general is just simplicity. Modern or conventional cartoning machines, they're very mechanical, large footprint, and sometimes they just don't fit in the customer space. The operations for top-load cartoning is really 3 operations, and managing that carton through the system is the biggest challenge. We've addressed that by incorporating all of this into one solution. So our patented Peregrine solution is what we refer to as a monoblock solution. What we've developed is a perpendicular carton flow in regard to the direction that the carton travels after we form it. Once we form it, we put it into our PCT, which is our positive carton transport system, the JLS track system. It travels through the machine, precisely controlled through loading and closing. But again, back to the right angle transfer or the perpendicular transfer, we've created this very narrow footprint, and it's the narrowest machine available in the industry. And in some instances, it will be the only machine that fits in the floor space, and sometimes up to 50% savings in regard to our competition. The machine is ideally suited for the bakery industry. That would be snack cakes or cookies. It could be for the frozen food, IQF packages, which is frozen food that could be bagged product, horizontal flow wrap product. Again, could be snack cakes, or it could be handheld products such as sandwiches, assembled sandwiches, or in general, just any flow wrap package. JLS is well known in the industry for our sanitary design, hygienic design. The Peregrine follows that footpath. Our standard frame is a round tubular frame, fully welded construction. Just in general, the machine is the most sanitary cartoning machine on the market today. The machine is controlled by one controller. This single controller controls the full architecture of the machine control and the robot control. Previous designs, maybe some of our competitive designs, have a separate controller for robot, separate controller for the machine functions. This is combined into one architecture, and there's so many benefits to that, not only from the networking, controls, communication, speed of the controller, the processor, all that's a huge benefit, but it also adds to the sanitary design, because now we're under one control architecture. Everything's in one panel, high voltage, and one panel, low voltage. The hardware between the panels versus a separate robot controller is greatly reduced, so it gives us the opportunity to remove basically hardware from the machine. Our customers are looking for a very flexible machine, a machine that changes over quickly. Not only changes over quickly, but it needs to be accurate, it needs to be repeatable. What we see many times is they'll change the parts out, and then the startup curve is just extended from all the tweaking. So our goal is for our customers to change the parts out and then push the go button, and I think we've achieved it on the machine. Not only is it the flexibility of the machine, but versatility, and what I mean by that is that they need us to meet today's requirement of the flexibility and the current application, but they also need a machine that's versatile, so it's a bit future-proof.